So part of lean is safety. And one thing that I've been doing is not very safe. But as you can see outside, it's been pretty rainy recently, at least here in Bakersfield. And one thing that I do is I drive at night and my windshield gets super blurry, it gets super like streaky and everything. So my thinking was, A, I either needed new windshield wipers, or B, I saw a video on TikTok where it actually just ends up being a bunch of buildup and grime, dirt, grease, oils on the windshield. So I'm gonna try cleaning that and see if it does anything, because right now it's gonna be kind of hard to see on camera, but even just doing this kind of leaves it streaky. So let's fix what bugs me and fix the safety issue. So you can see I wiped it on the inside, but on the outside it still has these marks and everything. So that's not safe for driving, and like I said, part of lean is safety. So I'm gonna try cleaning it and we'll see what happens. So you can kind of see right here, just all these like oils that have like built up on the windshield and everything. And this is with the glass cleaner. So yeah, pretty much when I've been driving, it's been kind of blurry, especially since it's been raining so much in Bakersfield. But you can see as I put more and more like windshield wiper on it, it's a lot better. And this probably still needs a couple more passes before it's anywhere near good. I don't know if it's easy to see, but there's like a lot of like rainbowing, and that's just like all the various oils and like gases and everything that's kind of built up on the windshield. So I think that's probably as good as it's gonna get. Let's test it out and see how it looks. Alright, so you can see right now there's a bunch of little raindrops on the windshield. Let's try wiping them off and see if it clears up. And yeah, just in one pass, that's a lot better. Before it would kind of be kind of smudgy and like streaky, and now literally just one pass later and it's all clean. This is gonna be a lot better, especially at night. I'm always driving like at 10 p.m. and when it's raining and it's dark, it's really is a safety hazard. So remember guys, keep it lean, and part of lean is safety.